Hi, I'm Justin.
And I'm Allie.
We last left off escaping St. Louis after some much-needed van repairs.
Having been forced out of Georgia to go home, we were eager to get back into the forest surrounding the Smoky Mountains to really seek out some adventure. In today's video, we get to explore some of the stunning natural waterfalls that surround the area during the best time of the year, spring.
Buckle up and enjoy the ride. And don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date on our latest journeys.
Despite what everyone thinks, our bed is actually super comfy.
Yeah. It feels good to sleep in the bed again after the van having been in the shop for a few days.
I missed it so much.
Super nice.
Oh, that's my arm.
There's this weird lump under my shoulders though.
So, we're going to a state park today, but first we have to get our van road ready, which basically just means clean up from the night before. So, are you ready?
Let's do it.
Start cleaning. I'll be sipping my coffee. All tidied up. We're gonna hit the bathrooms because we slept at a rest stop last night. It was actually pretty quiet, so we're gonna go to the bathroom, take advantage of real flushing toilets.
Hey-o.
And then we also need to fill up our water because we are severely low. And apparently, I don't know if it's true, they have potable water here, so
We will find out.
we will find out. Looks like we're getting lucky because we have 3 water spigots to choose from. So we're gonna try to go to the closest one to the sidewalk because I don't know if we have enough hose.
All right. Full water tank. Breakfast ready for action. Let's see where we're going.
Starting route.
So we're going on the Greater Falls Loop hiking trail. The distance is a little iffy. I've read some saying it's as short as a mile, some saying it's as long as 3 miles. So I think you kind of, depends how far you want to go. But it's supposed to be one of the better waterfall trails in the area. So it's springtime, so hopefully we'll get to see some cool falls. This is the fork in the trail. How about we go to the right?
That is a steep step.
That's just insane, dude. Let's go see. I think the other one is supposed to be bigger. So. Look at this.
Is this not the most amazing thing? It's so much bigger in person.
And I think this is where we can swim. All right, let's try it out. Woo, that's chilly. Are we gonna go for it?
I wouldn't mind just jumping in and getting out.
And then calling it?
Calling it.
Just to say we've done it, right?
I want to so bad.
Let's go for
Look
it.
at it.
That was cold.
That was so cold.
We successfully swam in the water and thought we were gonna freeze to death. So
I jumped in and immediately got out.
we dried off a little bit and now we're gonna finish the hike. Me too. That was fun though.
Way possible though. I agree. Alright, I'm gonna get changed.
Same.
Ready?
Ready.
We just hit the grocery store and now we're on our way to our camp spot for the night. We wanted to stay at this really cool cliff, but it was gonna be dark by the time we got there, and we read some reviews that a 4x4 might be necessary, so we didn't really want to drive that at night. We found another place about 20 minutes from the grocery store, so we're gonna go there. I think it's just a kayak launch, but it is beautiful. We found this beautiful spot. It's actually not the one on iOverlander. It's just right before it, and it is perfect.
Dinner is served.
So full.
I am too. That was delicious.
I didn't even finish mine. I could go for chocolate though. What? It's called a dessert pouch. Thanks, Mom.
So,
last time we went camping and it had a bonfire. If you didn't see it, it was beautiful.
we completely forgot the marshmallows.
It's such a bummer. So,
We went and bought this giant bag of marshmallows the very next day.
literally.
So, now that we are at a campsite with a fire pit right outside,
We're feeling scared of bears. So we're gonna eat Snickers peanut butters. Woo! One for you. Two for me.
whoa, 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 whoa.
Yes.
What?
And I'll just eat one. I'm so rude. I'm a little bummed because we don't have signal, so we can't watch Teen Mom.
Yeah, we're gonna have a movie night tonight, but instead we're just gonna sit here and eat our Snickers in silence.
Well, this is where we're gonna go ahead and end the video, I think.
And if you liked it, definitely give it a giant thumbs up.
Smash that subscribe button, because we post videos every single Sunday.
That's right. And again, every single Sunday. Don't know
Every
where I was
Sunday.
going with that, so.
Every Sunday.
Every Sunday.
Every Sunday. See you guys next week.